Hey, do you like sloppy joes? I happen to like sloppy joes a lot, and I'm going to share a very simple recipe today for making sloppy joes without the can. I have some ground beef. Now folks, I'm just going to use half of this. Okay, I'm going to make about a 2-pound portion of it. So I'm going to use half of this. I have an onion, which I'm going to dice up and put in there. I have my seasonings. Okay, I have tomato sauce, tomato paste, sugar, Worcestershire, chili powder, salt, and mustard. So let me get all this together and then we'll go from there. Okay, I have my pan preheating. I put my ground beef in there and I'm just going to chop it up. You can use whatever you like. I think this is probably like a 90-10 or something like that. I'm just going to chop it up and then I'm going to add my onion and I'm going to cook that together. And then once it gets done, I'm going to drain the grease off of it and then we'll add the rest of the ingredients in there. Now don't worry about trying to get the amounts of everything because I will put that in the description box. So let's just cook this up because it's lunchtime. Okay, as you can see, this is done. There's very little grease in there, but I'm still going to go ahead and drain it. So let's put it over into our strainer. Guys, I know I say a lot. I wish that this was smell-o-vision because it smells so good. Okay, I'm turning that down. I had it on about 7 or 8 so the meat would brown pretty quickly. I turned it down. So while that's draining, I have my tomato sauce. I have tomato paste. Get all that out because that's what's going to help it thicken up really nicely right there. Okay. I have my salt, my sugar, my chili powder. Just going to sprinkle that in there. I always like to shake my Worcestershire sauce up before I use it. I don't know, it's just a habit I got into a long time ago. Put about a ½ teaspoon to a teaspoon depending on your likes. I like Worcestershire, so I may add a little more. And about a ½ teaspoon or so of yellow mustard. Let me get this. I'll just use my spatula, guys. I try to keep from dirtying any more dishes than what I have to. Have you guys ever made sloppy joes from scratch? If you do, let me know if your recipe is similar to mine. Okay. See, I told you there wasn't very much in there. Not hardly any at all. Okay, now we just stir this up. As you can see, that's going to, for me, that's plenty of sauce because I don't like to bite into a sloppy joe and the sauce gush out the side of the bun. That's just me. But everything is nicely covered. And we're just going to let that simmer for about 10 minutes for all the flavors to melt together and that tomato sauce to heat up.